missed it. Had a hard time pulling the water heater over because it wouldn't go through that way. Opened up the gas valve accidentally twice. Now I gotta try to get this engineered by Arkansas Hillbillies.
Alright, you making fun of me?
Me too?
It's a little more hillbilly than we.
Yeah, they were trying to make it work on the budget. They go through that too by they drilled holes. So we need a pry bar and a screw gun. Whew. I'm out of breath. Nails, screws, tape. Let me see if I can pull this up. Got 3 nails, 4 or 5 nails.
It's all rigid pipe. Is that something somebody in the family would have done?
My uncle, my cousin. I hate to admit it, but yeah. It was hard to get out, but I got it out. Tape measure. We got a mess. Still pretty sturdy, but I don't trust it. All right. 24 inches. 24 inches twice. I'll run a block down there, a brick, support this with a 2x. These gas and water lines are just a mess. She didn't want me to spend a bunch of money, and I certainly could right here.